Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some short to shorter hair transformations. Loving this chic pixie style that features the pink bangs going in the front, such a gorgeous curly texture in the back, beautiful haircut idea. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a chic bob makeover with more bangs going there in the front. This is a stunning classic bob hairstyle. She looks amazing. Next up, we have the stylist doing a very popular hair trend, and that involves this cute pixie shaggy style. Such a cute pixie look. And we're seeing so many of that shaggy pixie styles this season. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. She does have some grown out color here. And she ends up switching things up with yet another beautiful pixie. This one also features some bangs going here in the front. Beautiful play on that classic pixie style. Next up, we have a cut refresh with this pixie undercut. I really like the color on this. It's like a really pretty silver icy color. And then we see someone who has a longer pixie style and wants to switch things up by going even shorter. Followed by someone who does a buzz cut. Oh, looks like she got a faded cut. Very nice. And then we see someone with a pixie, beautiful gray color. And she gets a nice cut refresh of her style. The color of her hair is so beautiful. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. And she ends up getting a beautiful bob haircut. She does have some bangs going there in the front. Followed by someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Ooh, wow, gorgeous pixie makeover. Well, this is absolutely stunning. She has more of a traditional pixie shape with this one, with some bangs in the front. So cute and stylish. Next up, we have someone in the shop for a cut refresh. She ends up going platinum and gets more of like a spiky texture throughout. I love that platinum hair color, so pretty. Alright, you guys, so I hope you were able to find some major hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.